Whether you're an artist, writer, musician, or simply looking to bring more creativity into your everyday life, these affirmations are designed to help you break free from creative blocks, embrace your unique ideas, and fuel your creative energy. You can repeat them aloud, write them down, or simply allow them to flow into your subconscious mind. I am a creative being with limitless potential. Creativity flows through me effortlessly. I embrace my unique creative process. I am confident in my creative abilities. Every day, my creativity grows stronger. I find inspiration in everything around me. My imagination is vibrant and limitless. I am open to new ideas and perspectives. I trust my creative intuition. I am always exploring new ways to express myself. My creativity brings joy and fulfillment into my life. I turn my creative ideas into reality. I am fearless in expressing my creativity. My creative work has value and impact. I am inspired and motivated to create. I am a magnet for innovative ideas. Creativity is my natural state of being. I am proud of my creative accomplishments. I nurture my creative spirit daily. I'm always growing and evolving creatively. Remember, the power of these affirmations grows with consistency, so feel free to return to this video whenever you need a boost in creativity. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to be notified every time Always Going North publishes new content.